Hello, I got a request for create this kind of wire mesh in this object. That's what I showed to do. So here we got some kind of results. Keep in mind that with this object, it's a good idea to use normal map with opacity map, but if you want actual geometry here, I will show you a technique to do so. So first of all, I will create a cylinder here, and I'll give it a high number of sides, let's say 64, one height and cap segment here. And you want to make this cylinder the same radius as this object right here. Then I'll go into Edit Poly, select the top n-gon, grow, and delete this. And then Control A and flip this. So then I will center this. Next I will create a plane and position it right here in the center. And now I will simply apply Turbo Smooth. And you pretty much want to add iteration so you get a number of polygons here to represent all the holes here. So I'll just go something like this. Then I will apply the poly, select all the polygons, inset by polygon to get the holes here, and then delete. So I've got this object here. Next, what I want to do is to remove all the unnecessary geometry right here. So I'll just move this down. I'll create a copy of this here, shell, just move this up here. And now I will select this and I will use boolean, available under create, compound objects, boolean. And I will use intersection and pick this cylinder right here. So now we only have geometry right here. Next, what I would do is apply a poly here, and I will inset here. And now I will add loops here to represent the curve here. So I will have, let's say, 4 segments here. So then I will select this geometry right here and just turbo smooth this here. And next I will apply skin wrap. I'll scroll down here, weight all points, and then scroll up here and switch deformation engine from vertex deformation to face deformation. Add, and then I will add this object here. Wait a few moments for it to wrap. You can right click to exit. So now I will select this object here, edit poly, and pretty much what I would do is right click here to bring up the type in right here, and you can simply switch from move to scale. So I'm pressing W and R. So for scale, I've got uniform scales. That's why I only have one value right here. Now I press W, I've got 3 values, X, Y, Z. So what I would do is first move this down a little bit. And I also want to select the outer loop here. So I'll move this down a little bit, press R, and then scale inwards a little bit. And then I will repeat this process, but this time I'll have less loops selected. And so now I've got this nice clean result right here. So you can just modify this object in different ways to get the kind of sharpness that you want here. So for example, I can move this up to get this curve right here. What I can do is have the loops be close together here to have a more sharper curve here. But this is the general process here. Then you can apply shell. And I will greatly decrease the value here. And then turbo smooth. If you want to do an extreme close-up here and get even better results, you can apply more turbo smooth iterations underneath of skin wrap. Thank you for watching and take care.